The van wasn't supposed to become a Hollywood icon, but the moment the black and gray GMC Vandura with that famous red stripe hit the screen, the world instantly recognized it as the A-Team's battle machine. This wasn't just a vehicle, it was a character. In the 1980s, when action TV was exploding, producers needed something tough, fast, and unforgettable. The A-Team wasn't just four men on the run, they needed a mobile headquarters. And so the GMC Vandura became the heart of their operations, their escape vehicle, their weapons carrier, their workshop, and sometimes their last line of defense. Mr. T's character, B.A. Baracus, treated this van like his own pride. The script didn't say it, but behind the scenes, the cast joked that the A-Team had only one rule: don't mess with B.A.'s van. And truly, every episode proved it. Whenever the team needed a miracle escape, the van roared through explosions, smashed barricades, drifted across dirt roads, and survived hits that would destroy any normal car. But not this one. Hollywood modified several GMC Vandura vans, some for stunts, some for interior shots, and some just for close-ups. Each one slightly different, but the audience never noticed, because the van's personality was stronger than its details. The bold red stripe, the black paint, the rooftop spoiler. This wasn't factory design. Hollywood created this look from scratch, shaping the van into a symbol of power. And what's crazy is the van didn't have a massive engine. It wasn't a supercar. It wasn't built for speed. But Hollywood magic made it unstoppable. Off-screen, this van became a legend at fan events. Even today, when a replica appears on the street, people stop, point, and say the same line. I love it when a plan comes together. Collectors searched for years to find original A-Team vans. Most were lost, destroyed, or stripped after filming. Only a few confirmed units remain, sitting quietly in private collections. But when the owners turn the key, they say something strange happens. It doesn't feel like an old van. It feels like you're about to break someone out of a warehouse, outrun the bad guys, and save the day A-Team style. The GMC Vandura isn't flashy like a supercar, not exotic like a Ferrari, not as fast as a Charger.